Hi guys! I decided to make another video because I didn't really like my last one. But I'll still post it for you anyways, and so yeah. Okay. My teddy bear is so cute, look at it. It's so cute. Yeah, if you guys could think of like awesome names for my teddy bear, then I would totally appreciate it. But yeah. Yeah, I'm so happy because I got really good makeup on right now, which I would show you, but I'm not going to. I got eyeshadow, mascara, lip gloss, of course. You gotta have that lip gloss. But yeah, I also have blush too, but I didn't have it with me, so I have to put some on whenever I go home. Anyways, yeah, see, I can fit everything in that purse. Yeah, what time is it? It is 12:37. And I have to wait all the way until 3 o'clock. So that way I can go home. And then I'm definitely going to change. I do not like this outfit. My mom is always giving me like this, the weirdest shirts. But whatever. Okay. I'm going to show you something in the living room. Excuse me. Oh yeah, and it's snowing, by the way. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. I don't know what it is first. Can you see it? You can see it. Ugh, I hate that beeper. Anyways, look how pretty. It's so pretty. I'm so happy. And yes, that's my puppy. Come here, pup. It's my awesome. Don't be shy. It's okay. Say, oh, you're such a good boy. Hi, cutie. Say hi. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah, that's Rocky. That's my Bubba. He's my little boy. Okay, yes, I know. We still got the tree up. There goes the dog. Okay. For Christmas, we got Guitar Hero World Tour and Rock Band 2. So yeah, the drums, guitars. I'm really good on guitar. I really am. But yeah. Oh yeah, and look how big this TV is. It's a 50-inch plasma, and my dad got it for his football season, so yeah. See how big this thing is? Bigger than my body. But yeah. Okay, back in to the bedroom. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, but you see how big... Oh, sorry, hi, bed. Saw how big that TV was compared to that little one? I mean, seriously, look how small it is. Ooh, that was ugly. Anyways. But, yeah, that was weird. But yeah, my dad said he was going to get another TV. He was going to get a bigger one and then give that one to my brother. God, what is up with my weird ass hiccups? Sorry, I'm cussing again. But yeah, my laptop went off again, but whatever. But yeah. Okay, so again, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna find something to do. Ow, what the hell? Ow, that hurt my throat too. Okay. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna find something to do for the next 3-something hours and just kind of like then go to my house and get ready to go to my friend's house, and her place is haunted, so that would be exciting. Yeah, because like I remember last time I was at our house, these ghosts were like trying to corner us or something. It was kind of creepy. Like I heard like a little, and like her place is private property, so, and like it's kind of in the woods in a way. So like no one can get to the house even, and we were home alone, and um like I heard this little boy like crying, like screaming right outside the window as if like he was right there, but by the time I looked there was no one there. And at that exact moment my friend heard a cat meowing. And yeah, she does have a cat, but Casper, the cat, he was downstairs, and this cat's was like totally different. It was like right beside her in the hallway. It was really freaky, so yeah. But yeah, if I'm able to, maybe I can record some videos on us ghost hunting and hiccuping, of course. But yeah. Okay, well, I hope you guys have a safe and a happy new year. And hopefully you keep it to your resolution. I end up not doing that, so, but hopefully I will this year. So, yeah. Okay, well, I hope you guys like my nice long video of nothingness. But yeah. Okay, well, and again, thank you so much for the comments on the last video. I really did appreciate it. And I love your messages too, so. Okay, well, goodbye.